Jud siya ang tingob jud nga coverage OM no kay ang ana raman to kanubo no gicapsulize raman to siya, but that was still an overview no. So today we are going to learn more about technology, although no na discuss naman nato kadiyot no ang technology, the importance of technology and its advantages in OM. But today no we are going to dwell more into unsa pa jud ang iyang other advantages. Okay, so I would like to present my screen with you. Okay, so this morning we are going to learn about technology and operations management no from the book from the same name rapon sa book no from David A. Collier and James R. Evans. So what are the learning outcomes of this class? Okay, sorry. So after this class now you'll be able to learn the different types of technology and their role in manufacturing and service operations and explain how manufacturing and service technology is strengthening the value chain. You'll also be able to explain the benefits and challenges of using technology and also be able to describe what is key technology. So let's start first with the importance of technology. Technology is both physical and information. It has dramatically changed how work is accomplished in every industry, from mining to manufacturing to education to healthcare. Technological innovation in goods, services, manufacturing, and service delivery is a competitive necessity. Although technology has many advantages, no, it can make the work lighter, more easier, more efficient, no. Even when it comes to data collection or data storage, no, very effective na siya and very efficient no, because with just one click of a button, everything is already there. No, and even when you communicate to your suppliers or even when you find suppliers, everything is really on the internet, no, and with the help of technology. But some of its disadvantages could be it's really costly. And that is true, no? Kung bitaw na class nga, we would like to innovate, no? Para sa anang ginahan mi nga mo expand mi sa amo ang level of services itong ibutang no para sa inyo ha no you'd like to train you on how to do this do that how to make an itinerary and all, but if you do not have the right amount of technology or even invest in a technology that will guide you or will help you, it would be quite difficult no to actually teach you in a traditional way. Sa hotel, same pod, no? If dili sila mo adapt, mo innovate, ang ilahang operations no sa hotel no medyo magkuan na pod no medyo magkalisod na pod sila no kung manual ra mag fill out of forms dugay kaayo mahuman, not unless if you can have that online so that before pa lang mo walk in or mo check in si guest, at least na ana ready na tanan lang yung information with one click of a button. Even data storage is also important. Another example no maski sa iyang room no, to ensure maximum security, so either key card, a special key card, or for example, ang iyaha barong fingerprints, no? Or ingana ka ko ano, ingana ka very efficient, no? It's not just for display, nga impressive kaayo lang taon nga high-tech kaayo ang inyong facilities, but also it makes work so much easier. Ang disadvantage lang ana is it's really costly. And sometimes companies would think nga, is it worth to invest my money in technology? Kay even if no nga technology can really help increase my sales no increase my productivity, entice a lot of customers, but like is it worth it no, most especially but sa maintenance no kay dili mo na dali lang class nga mo procure lang tag software or mo palit lang ta aning machine, okay na siya. Kinahanglan pa mo og training how to use it no. Kana may times good class ka kung ma-mishandled nimo siya, dili nimo matarong og gamit ang technology, maguba siya og dali, no? So, dapat na ay training on how to use it. Kay useless man pud if naamoy technology at hand but you do not know how to use it. At the same time, the maintenance, no? Sahay na may times nga mo malfunction or maguba or need og maintenance para to avoid nga maguba, no? So, it can be really costly. So, no magduha-duha usayong bang companies do really need to take a very big step in embracing total na jud nga technology, or dili lang usa no, knowing the budget or the risk. So no, it's really up to businesses no, pero para nako wala may mawala no kung magkuanta sa technology, mag-invest ta ana no, kay karon ko ana kayo ta no, garilay na tatanan sa technology, di na ta kalihok no. Most of our ko na transactions even can be online na. Okay? So, give an example how technology is really quite important, no? Like companies like Coca-Cola who are really willing to invest, no, in technology. So, ang Coca-Cola, no, nana sila yung mga vending machines and instead of just using change, no, kaya na may usahay nga, di sila mukaon. Kaya mga vending machine kani usay katon nagkuhan ko sa no art class. So, dili mukaon og paper bills, no, niya arte kayo sahay dili muluwa og changes no, kay kan man are changes change no, or sensiyo kay may mga times good class nga sa mubutang kag 100 peso bill unya ang imuharang paliton is worth 30 pesos, so muhatag man na silang sensiyo unya usahay di muhatag og sensiyo no. So Coca-Cola's already ano, made innovations to vending machines no, nga out from the typical jud ni nga competitors nila nga bills and then change ang magawa sila, so you can make use of a card, marsya og kanang credit card ba or debit card nga wherein sudlanin mo siya og money. Di man mag virtual money like magtabi kag 7-Eleven, magpasulod ko og 100 pesos ani nga number sa akong card, Coca-Cola card abi. And then nanay murag ko ano, nanay murag amount or load sa imong card. Nya mo lang nimo i-swipe dito sa vending machine. So, di na ka mag-worry about change. No? Or di na ka mamili dira og paper bill nga kaunon sa vending machine no, kay arte ra ba kay na vending machine basta namagay gupi no, or dili kayo kanang straight imong paper bill di na niya kanon no. So that could be an example of um investing no, or dili ka ma-afraid nga mo invest og money to make innovations no, or even apply technology no in your business. So at the same time those vending machines can be available everywhere no, so makadungog og sales no, ni increase na noon ang ilahang sales because people would find it very convenient to use Coca-Cola's vending machines kay dili siya hassle no, dili na sa mga tagba pangita og change, at the same time no, card na lang ka. So, ing ana. No, another example is between Samsung and Apple. No? So, iba ang first ni-release og touchscreen class kay ang Apple man jud, di ba? Unya, si Samsung, oh, actually before no, nakuanan sila nga guilty sila of copying Apple, no? The design of Apple, no? And people when they when they saw when they actually saw no, sa una yun ha, when they actually saw nga si Samsung kay hala pamilya na nga, si Samsung will always be the follower, Apple will always be the leader no, kay kuan edakpan jud sila nga ning copy sila from Apple no, kung unsa ang mga kuan unsa ang mga gihimo ni Apple, like nahimo siyang touchscreen ning suon pud si Samsung no, nya country class so gikasuhan ra sila ato before no, kay na found man nga guilty sila of copying no, but later on no, na-develop, nag-innovate si Samsung, no. So di naman siya ginahan nga ma-follower na siya no. Kay ang leading ato nga company is Apple no, because sila man jud ang nag-una-una ang mga touchscreen nga phones. But later on, no, when Samsung decided no to make innovations, no, to improve, to prove to people nga dili lang sila purely lang mo copy. That is why what you see today, nga grabe na kang advancement sa Apple, sa Samsung, no? Nindot ta kay lang mga phone, sige sila flip phone gani class no nga kuan, nga touchscreen, no? So nagana kasag advancements, no? Ga-improve sila. So ilahang apply ang technology wherein di lang sila ilimit lang galingan nga you'll always be the copier of Apple. No? Karon si Samsung daghan na kay siyang mga kuan na daghan na kay silang mga advancements no karon nga nga generation. Kita naman po na nimo, no? So, karon nabali na gani no si Apple na gani ang mo copy na pod ni Samsung, no? So nabali na ang panahon. Na for a while lang. Okay, so let's continue. So mo na siya class, no? That's applying technology, no, to innovate. No, kay if Samsung will not apply technology or innovate their company, no, magpabilin jud sila nga ing ana, no? Nga dili jud sila kutob, no. But because of technology mo na siya, no, that is why companies are encouraged to innovate, to invest, no, to not be afraid to embrace technology, no. Even karon sa schools, no, nga mo invest nag money to have LMS to improve how we do, or let's say teach or provide learning materials to students. No, sa junior high actually gagamit sila og multiple nga LMS class, no. Sa college, sa senior high po, no, sa college lang, no, gagamit lang ta og Google Classroom kay it's user friendly. No, kay usahay man gud na putay mga troubleshooting pud sa wang LMS good. Pero again, ga-adapt ra man pud ta. But those LMS are actually kuan naman, no, kanang they have been existing long before the pandemic, no. Other schools are making use of LMS, no, to provide learning materials. Kay kami sa una wala pa'y pandemic, Google Classroom naman mi, no, ga-upload naman ang mga teachers og learning materials dito. Karon na jud siya medyo nauso-uso na, no, because of because of what do you call this one? The pandemic. Okay, so nasabta na to kung mga examples class, no? Technology can really help, no, a company as long as you're willing to take risk, you're willing to invest. Okay, let's now proceed to hard technology and soft technology. So hard technology refers to equipment and devices that perform a variety of tasks in the creation and delivery of goods and services. So this refers to like your copier machine, no? Your printer, or for example, no, kanang mga kuan, kanang mga machineries nga need nimo, like for example mag-create kag huge quantities or batches of products, no, you need hard technology. Ang soft technology is kanang mga software, no, like for example kanang GDS, sa mga GDS, no, kang global distribution system, no, masyag operating system class, no, nga wherein you can make your itineraries, no, you can book your flights. It's not physically tangible. Di man nimo mahikap ang soft technology na because it's a software compared to hard technology, like mahikap man nimo ang photocopier, mahikap man nimo ning machine, no, para mo produce daghang batches tay mga buttons available. But for soft technology, you have to download the software, then you install it, and then mo na siya. Either it can provide as a database, no, it can provide data, information, it can even analyze data, no. An example of that is SPSS, nga wherein labi na mag-thesis na mo, no, nga instead nga manual ka mag-compute sa imuhang data, so SPSS can actually compute that for you, input ka right amount of, like kabalo, sa kabalo lang ka mo kuan sa SPSS, mo butang ka og mga settings dira, formula, automatically siya na mo compute ana. Okay, so it helps also to accomplish or facilitate or even create delivering goods and services, no? Okay. So lahi ng hard technology siya kana ng mga machines, no, equipment. Pero technology na Japon siya, no, kay gagamit man Japon ka og kanang kuan, no, kuryente, no, and even ga-evolve man po na siya from kuan, ga-innovate man siya po na siya from time to time. Okay. So ang soft technology mo na mga software na siya. Manufacturing technology. So the right technology must be selected for the goods that are produced. No, so when you talk about manufacturing technology, right from the software even to the hard technology, no, machines, equipment, no, to use to manufacture goods, mo po na dapat ang imong i-consider. Even the people that who will use, or let's say kung ano mo manipulate ana nga technology. So process resources such as machines and employees must be set up and configured in a logical fashion to support production efficiency. So dapat po, no, when we provide manufacturing technology, set up siya in a step by step nga kuan, step by step nga arrangement, no. So first nga buhaton mo ni siya, so mo ni siya pinakauna i-set up, din sunod kani. So an example of it katong sa Toyota, di ba class, nga wherein, no, na ay mo assemble ani nga part, na ay mo himo ani, no, or na ay mo check for defects, then na apoy mo paint, no. Ang mo paint kinalasa na to siya, no, kaya lain sa kay magpintal na kanya na paday ayuhon nun, di ba? So i-arrange in a logical fashion. Labor must be trained to operate the equipment. So that is true, no? Again, the reason why it's very risky to um sa tawag na invest in technology, it is because not only nga costly ang pag-procure or pagpalit sa technology, but even the people no imong i-train on how to operate the equipment or even how to use the software. Para sa guna katong nagpalit si Sister Abig LMS. Unya kami, undergo siya may training how to use it, to be familiar with the LMS, even if it's just a software. Because, how can we efficiently use technology in our class if we do not know how to use it? 'Di ba? Sumupa na siya. Si process performance must be continually improved. If you have noticed ato ang klase itong service quality management last semester, ang quality assurance or let's say ang quality control dili na siya ingon nga ikaw ra siya buhaton nga tungod nag quality control ka gahapon di na ka mag quality control karon magsigira siya pang kag quality control every day because every day gamay kag batches even if gani mag-deploy na gani ka sa products class you have to make sure nga mga kag feedback to make sure nga wala dre dissatisfied nga customer and even ang iyahang quality is maintained. Process performance must also be improved because like for example when we attach or let's say when we ato ibutang mo assemble ta ani nga product sakto man siya pag-assemble pero dugay kaayo mahuman no dugay kaayo ta mahuman so unsa man atong buhaton nga paspas siya, daghan tag mabuhat, pero sakto siya pagka-assemble. So, pa na ang process performance nga kinahanglan ni improve, no? Everyday, improve ra Japon na siya, no? Para, at least to ensure nga, productivity, paspas, no? At the same time, high quality ra Japon ang products nga i-produce. Work must be scheduled to meet shipping. So, for example, no? Kung wala tay scheduling class, kung kanus arang mo ginahan maghimo sa item, ang matabong gud anak class, so dili ta kaabot sa shipping. Like for example, tong quota, dapat ha mahuman ni siya before February or March 6 kay i-ship na siya on March 7. So naatay mga scheduling to ensure nga mahuman tanan on the said date. No kay base niya kung di ko mag-scheduling pag gusto ra mo musulod-sulod diri sa ato ang trabahoan unya dugay kay mahuman. So, mo ni siya tong scheduling, mo ni mga pila ka hours a week nga kinahanglan nimo. Um, mo ni mga pila ka hours a week nga imong trabaho no, nga dili ka mag-short sa imong time, no. So, mga ana. Okay? Next is quality must be ensured. So, muna ko na-mention no, nga i-monitor siya ang quality not just kay tungod naka-quality control ka gahapon, di na ka mag-quality control karon. Even sa hotel class in services, ang manager dili lang ingon nga naka-rounds na bitaw ko kaninang buntag di na ako mag-rounds karong hapon every day no, anytime katira na siya og maghimo siyang rounds no kay kung dili siya mag-monitor sa iyang mga tawo class no how can he ensure nga sakto ang serbisyo sa iyang mga tawo. Okay, so dapat yun na sila i-monitor. Okay, let's now proceed to the computer integrated manufacturing system. Ay, wait lang for a while ha. Ito for Lucas ka nag-ask si Jen Kadiyot. Okay, so I'll proceed to the Computer Integrated Manufacturing System or CIMS. So it represents the union of hardware, software, database management, and communications to automate and control production activities. So again, no, this is the combination of hardware, which is kind of mga machines, no, software, which is can be downloaded and installed in your computer, database management, communications to automate and control production activities. So again, to ensure productivity and operations in your business, you do not only need the machine alone, no? You need software, you need communications, no? You need database management. So sa mga database management, like for example, no, kanang par sa hotel, no nga na ay software ginagamit sila to ensure or to at least monitor pila ka book rooms ang available to be sold to walk-in guests no or magpa-reserve So real time na siya nga i-update no, like for example, ang housekeeping naglimpyo siya sa room 305. Unya, sa room 305, ang yang status ato is vacant dirty no VD. Iya din ang usbon dito sa database, himuon niya og VC, so vacant clean, mo reflect din na sa database pod ni front office pagkakita niya nga limpyo na si 305 and vacant na siya. So pwede na niya i-offer sa mga walk-in guests or katong mo check-in. So yung ana na no, dili pa sa una nga manawag pa ka dito. Hello housekeeping, unsay mga rooms nga kanang kuan available dira ano dili na ing ana no, automatically na ana sa database. Actually nakasulay po ka na dali naman siya no, kay open na ka, click kag housekeeping kung nabilong ka sa housekeeping ha, and then i-change siya nimo ang iyahang room status no. So may mga number of rooms dira from room 101 no, to room tibutang kuan abi no, 5 floors no, so 535 o mga ana abi. And then nandiray mga dato sa kilid per color coding na siya. So imong usbon automatically kung yung usbon ma-reflect po dito database sa ubos no dito sa front office. Okay. So next, Numerical tools or NC enable this complicated programmable device that controls the movement of a tool used to make complex shapes. Like for example, like kanang mechanical hand no, or kanang ginagamit sa mga kuan gani ginagawa ang sa mas na automatically device or scene so ang aning car parts or tao ang mo assemble aning product no, kuan na lang no, katong robot na lang or katong mechanical hand. Sa like example ana, I would like to practice masabtan po ninyo ba. Okay, so ako i-try og search. Ay, sorry. Sa ipang spelling sa mechanical hand. Wait lang ha. Ay, kanina lang. Sorry. Sa ipang spelling sa mechanical. Okay. So, I'll be showing you ha kay kuan man. Wala man ako na screencast. Akong i-kuan lang, i-share screen for a while. So this is actually a clip of mechanical robots no ginagamit sa to assemble like, car parts. No, so an example of the NC is where a mechanic or a machinist inputs codes no para instead nga sila ang mo assemble ato no, a machine will have to just do it for them. So let's example rin siya patis makuan ninyo. Fully grasp ninyo ang idea. Kaya sa mga ingani. So of course, si maningon nga na ay mind of its own ang machine, no? There is actually a person operating no, this machine or mo provide lang sila og codes, no? In order for the machine to just work by themselves for at least, no? Kuan kanang kuan na sila kanang maraki so tawag na ay kanang I cannot find the right words. But not code sa tawag na ha. So makita ninyo diri class, no? Siya na tanan. Instead of tao ang muhimo ana, so na-array machine. Okay, so gi-program mo din na siya nga term. So gi-program na sila no nga ing ani, so that they will have to do their work, and then at the same time no na ay, with accuracy no nga dili jud sila masubraan og kuan no, masubraan og attach or assemble, masubraan og sunog, masubraan og putol no sa ka item. That is how technology works no, at least dili na kinahanglan og tao. Okay, so numerical control again, no? Controls the movements of a tool used to make complex shapes. Now, a robot is a programmable machine designed to handle materials or tools in the performance of a variety of tasks. So, instead of people, no? Para sa atin nakita ninyo, no? Robot na lang or kamot na lang or naay ka ng murag machine no nga maghimo ana for you. No, like for example, if you're going to cut it manually, it can harm you as a person, no? Or for example, dili po siya maayo if ma-expose ka ana no, so usahay magpahaway sa kakadit, so it can cut off productivity kay kung tao maghimo ana kapuyon siya or masamad siya no, or for example dili siya built for that kind of environment, so that can affect the productivity or the work no. But if you put a robot no, and i program ra nimo siya to do that, or ikaw ang mo operate ana by yourself, dili pa kang put into risk. At the same time, mas daghan ang productivity niyo kay pwede man nimo i-program ang robot to go faster, no? And to make a lot of products or attach or assemble this one. So mo na siya kalabanan, no? So even in manufacturing, they make use of machines, no? Lahi na sa una nga manual niya, harmful kaayo siya na ay mga work hazards pod. Next is CAD or CAE. Actually, ginagamit na ni siya sa ako pong papa, no? So, it enables engineers to design, analyze, test, simulate, and manufacture products before they physically exist. So, no, ginabuti sa akong papa na mag-CAD na siya sa wherein, katong sa tourism building, I'll show you an example. Gihimo to niya sa CAD. No, so, instead nga manual ka mag-draw sa blueprint na array software, I'll try to look for the file. Okay. Nara di ICSR Mini Hotel. Ay, karaan na po ni siya. Okay. New building. Actually, there na po na ko nag-share sa inyo ha. So, this is actually an example of CAD, no? Engineers can make like a physical building, even what's inside, pwede sila kahimuan na class. Now, this is the perspective design, but they can also make the floor plan. So, makita nimo masking wala pag ipatukod ang building, ma-picture out na nimo unsa ang itsura sa building, unsa ang iyahang interior because of CAD. So, muna siyang example. There are other examples as well, most especially the interior. Here's the interior. No, so kani pod siya. This is also made possible by CAD. So engineers use technology no before wala pa ni mag-perspective design kalisod kay drawingon pa na nimo class no. Nya usahay sakit kay sa mata. No. Ubang mga architecture mga architect no ing ana. Sorry, I'm a bit off today. I'll show you another na-drag. I'll show you another example. No, in CAD, you can also make a video, like a virtual tour. No, so, mga ing-ana, no? So, makita na nimo class ang yang exterior, interior. So, mani sa front office, rooms, proposed nga building, lounge area, cafe, bar na ay comfort rooms nila. Then may kitchen sa likod sa bar for HRM students, no? So mag-practice sila nila sila magluto sa kitchen. Okay, proceed ta sa rooms. Walang skip no, kay medyo taas kay ang video. So muna ang rooms with with CR. Sayop siya din dapit. Entrance na siya. Okay, the second floor are classrooms for tourism or hospitality students. Sorry. So muna ang classroom. On the third floor is the function hall or open man siya nga hall, no? For na yung mga seminars, na yung mga kuan ng tourism. So dira sila maghald sila mga seminars or even mga HRM night or unsa pa na siya. So those are made possible actually with CAD, no? Even floor plan. So kaning mga ingani. Ay sorry. No, so floor plan. So AutoCAD na siya class, no? Dili na siya kinahanglan nga mag-manual pa ang mga engineer. So those are examples of CAD. CAM involves computer control of the manufacturing process. So yung nakita kanina, no, katong mga robots, no, nga mo assemble og mga mo assemble og kanang mga car parts. Flexible manufacturing system consists of two or more computer-controlled machines linked by automated handling devices. Computers direct the overall sequence of operations and route the work to the appropriate machine, select and load the appropriate tools, and control the operations performed by the machine. Okay, CIMS facts. According to the National Research Council, companies with computer-integrated manufacturing system experience have been able to decrease engineering design costs by up to 30%. So, palitan sila ng software, no, instead of spending a lot of time, sakit pa yung mata, and you have to buy equipment, no, for drawing the floor plan, for drawing the perspective design. No, so no need na. Software lang imong paliton, no, nya maski pa kag palit mabali pa imong um T-square, mabali pa ang imong mga pens dira ginagamit for drawing, no. So kalas na kayo kwarta, pero dira no software raman. Ang importante lang is as long as makaya ra sa mong laptop. He increased productivity by 40 to 70%. That is true, no? Instead of maghulat pa kang pahaway pang mga tao, no? Kay kapoy pa siya og assemble ani or maghimo ani. Ang robots, di man na sila mapahaway class, no? And they cannot be put into harm, no? So, naray mga times nga, of course, dili na to sila abusaron og gamit, no? Pero, unlike sa humans nga very limited kaayo, no? Machines can do more. Can increase equipment utilization by a factor of 2 to 3, reduce work in process and lead times by 30 to 60%. Even gani klase, instead of employing a lot of people to assemble this, no, you can have at least 3 people lang. It can cut costs in the company, and machines can just do some of the work. You know, improve quality by a factor of 3 to 4 because it's so accurate. No, you can just program a machine to do or to manufacture, no, a thing for you. No, so mas less ang mistake, no, compare sa tao nga usahay kapuyon ang tao, no, dili sa kondisyon, no, niya dili niya matarong og trabaho, no. That's why affected po ang quality, no, sa product. Let's now proceed to service technology. Service technologies are used behind the scenes to facilitate your experience as a customer. Okay, so other tour and travel companies, they do this, no? They have virtual tours, no, you can take the tour for yourself as if you are there in Siargao or you are there in Boracay, no, pero kung ano na siya, meron siya ka ng 3D nga tour. Okay, e-service refers to using the internet and technology to provide services that create and deliver time, place, information, entertainment, and exchange value to customers and or support the sale of goods. So this is the example of e-commerce view in the value chain. So this will be explained next meeting. Now it's already 10:27. So you have class after this one. So you will continue with e-service. No, kay human naman ta ni manufacturing. Kanita na, no, kaning Computer Integrated Manufacturing Systems na CIMS. This is related to manufacturing goods and products. No, walang e-service is more onto services. Ito lang ko rin i-proceed next meeting. Same with technology and value change, ERP, customer relationship. So next meeting lang na siya on Wednesday. By the way, I think Thursday is a holiday. That's 25. So you have no class. No, in kaso na may klase on Thursday. Wala tayo klase ana. No, that's a holiday. Okay, any questions before we will end our class?